Malia Duke, and welcome to the Malia Faith Show. Today, I'm going to be talking about this book that Miss Sarah Brown wrote called Homesteading Poetry, 50 Poems and Prompts, Reading, Writing, and Spelling Practice. Inside, we have some really pretty poems and illustrations. What you do in these, you will read the poems 3 times and then write it in your prettiest handwriting like this. It's really fun, and reading can also help your reading skills. These are really pretty poems, and some of them Miss Sarah Brown actually wrote. This one has my favorite illustration because I do sewing, and also I love all the vibrant colors. And the next poem is my favorite one. It's called Beeswax Candles. It teaches you how to make these type of candles, and it sounds really fun. I'm probably gonna do it one day. Now, this is what it says. Beeswax Candles by Gideon Miller and Sarah J. Brown. All these things that bees can make, some say honey takes the cake, but I'm certain of the fact that brilliant light comes with the wax. Take the beeswax, heat it up in a bowl or in a cup. Color, scents, and shapes you pick. Pour it in carefully, hold the wick. The candle is cooled, now it is night. Homemade candle, shining bright. Some other poems that we have in here are composting, growing your own food, and free food. One other one is called Yum Yum Bread. This one was really fun for me. It was short and easy and fun to write, and I love the illustration, and I'll read it to you. I like how it's worded. Yum Yum Bread, so warm and fluffy. Yum Yum Bread, can't wait to have you in my tummy. Yum Yum Bread, bake faster please. Yum Yum Bread, yay, all done. That was a breeze. This book was really fun for me, and it taught me a lot. I love to read and write, so I just really enjoyed this, and this will be a big part of my life because I really like writing, and I also like writing stories. The next book that I'm going to be working on is a really big one called Do-It-Yourself Homesteading Skills Curriculum Handbook. In the first page, it shows you how to make your own homemade bread, and there's also things that it shows you what books to read. And also we have, this is the bread page. And there's also geography pages like this. I like geography, and also it will help me learn it more. So that will be fun. Well, see you next time. I had a lot of fun today, and I hope you did too. Bye.